Hey, welcome to this video. This is a Ower lock that was kindly sent to me by Rickwales. So Rick, thank you very much for the lock. I show you bidding on the key. It's a 6-pin lock. Bidding is not too bad. And the lock works. Is locked up. So let's try to pick it. I picked it a few times before and I know there are serrated pins and spool pins inside. So let's start. Pin 1 is the first that gives feedback. Quite loud feedback, but now I think I got a good force set. So let's check for the first spool. Okay, got it, hopefully. Check for the next. Lost my full set. I hope that I didn't overset the pin. Okay, got it back, full set. Check for the next spool. Here we are. Oh, got it. Next spool. Got it. And last one, maybe the last one. Doesn't want to go. And open. Ooh, that was quick. Okay, let's get it. I already removed some parts here and just one clip is remaining. I will lock it back and remove the clip. Let me zoom out just a little bit. Okay. Okay, clip is gone. Take my follower and okay, let's do it that way. Okay. All right, so let's dump out the key pins. All standard pins. Okay. Now let's go for the drivers. Pin 1, where is my tweezer? Pin 1 is a little serrated one. Pin 2 is a spool. 3 is another spool. Another spool, and 4. And I guess they're all spools. Okay, yep. Let's have a quick look to the plug. Nothing special there, everything smooth. Just smooth. Let's have a look at the Bible. Also nothing special, everything smooth. Yep. Okay, let me quickly give you a close-up view to the pins. Here we are. There is this nicely serrated one. And the rest are spools. The key pins are just normal. Alright, so much for the lock, for the Ower lock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Rick, for sending me this lock, and happy picking. Bye bye.